Good evening. So we are going to create an AI agent using Telegram bot. So whenever we communicate to the Telegram, it will create one record in Excel sheet to n8n. Okay, so that is the total um, configuration. So suppose I want to get data from the Telegram bot, it will automatically create a one record in Excel sheet. That is total configuration. Okay, so for that we created one bot. So like what are they bot? So in that we will give the data using chart window. The rows. This is the chart window. So I'm just copying. Company name is ABCL. Pickup city is and also I will give the email address is xyz.com. Phone number is I can give any number, so it's not validating now. 4567. So once we done this like this, we send a data, it automatically create one record here. Okay. So this is the thing really useful while okay. This is the thing ABCL XYZ Hyderabad test at XYZ. For that I used a n8n, okay, like this. Telegram tracker, edit fields, and append the row. So this is the one of the things easily we can do from the chart box of the Telegram. Okay. So, if you have any doubts on this, how to create this type of AI agents, please ping me on YouTube comment section so that I can reply back.